Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle, a Killer Sudoku. In today's newspaper on December the 6th, 2024, the first Friday of the month, I will do a speed test, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star and the 4-star Sudoku, so one puzzle is left. By the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. Now we'll do the Killer Sudoku number 9710. And first Friday of the month, without comments, without instructions. So let's get started. Yes, 1 minute is already passed. For Killer Sudoku, I need 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. Without comments, without instructions. Alright. 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. No, difficult. 9 and a 7. 9 and 8. 2 and 1. Well, 9 and 8. Yeah. Well. These two should be 11. Should be an 8. 2 should be there. 2 and 9, 2 and 6. Well. 6. These 3. 9 and 6. Or 7 and 8. Well. Come on. Where's the opening? Here we have 2. Well. 3. No 3 here. 3 and cannot place the 3 here. 3 and 9. No 3 here. No 3 there. So the 3 should be here. 3. So need a 6 here. 6 is 2 and a 4 or 1 and a 5. 2 and a 4. 1 and a 5. Come on. This is 6 and a 7 now. But the 1, no 1 here. So the 1 and the 6, no 1 and the 5 here. Okay. No. This is complete. 15, 29, plus 8, 37. This should be an 8. And 7. 9 and 8. Here was the opening, okay. 1 box left. 17, 24, 31, 40, and 7. Need a 7 here. 7. This should be a 9. This should be a 7. Then this is complete. Need a 7 here. Need a 9 here. 9. Or here, 9. 9 and a 1. No. 9 should be here. So this should be 5. 3 and 2 and a 3, or 4 and a 1. 4 and a 6. I need a 1 here. 1 and a 7. Nah. Could be 1 and a 4. Could be 5. 3. Here can be 5. 5 and a 1, or 5 and a 1 also. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 1. Come on, come on. 9 here, no. 0 and a 1. Complete. Complete. You need a 2. Okay, what are these 3? 29. 29, so 45. 16. 16. 7. 23. 23. 30. 43. This should be a 2. 43. This should be a 6. Need a 9. Oh, 2 here. This should be the 1. This should be the 2. Now 1 box left. This 9. Double 9 is 18. 30. 36. This should be the 9. This should be the 10. Okay. No 9 here, so the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 and a 4. 9 and a 4, or 8 and a 5. Yeah. 8 and 5. Okay, so the others should be 7 and a 3. Need a 7 here. 7 and a 5. 7 and a 6. No. Come on. These 3 should be 2. I cannot place the 2 here. 2 and a 7. 4 and a 6. Come on. Come on. 1 and a 9. Need a 7 here. Need an 8. No, 8 here. Cannot be an 8. 8 could be here, could be there. 8 and a 3. 8 and a 4. This should be 7 and a 6 then. Need a 5. Yeah. This should be the 6. This should be the 4. 4 and a 3. No 5 here. Need a 5 there. Cannot place the 5 here. So 5 could be here, could be there. 5, need a 5 here. 5 and a 3. Okay. 8 and a 4. Need a 6 there. Need a 4 and a 5. Here can it be a 4 and no 4 and a 3. 2 cannot be here. 2 and a 5. 2 should be here. There. So the 4 and a 3. 1, 2, 3. Need a 9. Need a 8. Need a 5. 9. 11, 9. Could be here, could be there. 9, 8. Could be here, could be there. 8 and a 5. Okay. Suppose this 2, then this should be a 5. Suppose this 5, this should be a 2. Ah, we have a 2 here, so this should be the 5. This should be the 2. This should be the 5. So this should be 11 or 10. So the 9 or the 8. 8 and a 2. No, 8 and a 3. 9 and a 1. 4 and a 3. So 9 and the 5. 9 and the 5 and the 8. This should be the 2. 8. Yeah. 1 and a 4. 3 and the 7. 2 and a 4. 5 and a 1. 2 and a 4. Here should be 1 and the 6. 5. 4 and 8. Need 8 here. 6. 1 box left. Should be the 1. 3 and 5. 3 and a 5. Come on. Need a 5 here and an 8. 9 and a 4. Need a 4 here. 4 and a 9. No. 4 and 8. 1 box left should be the 7 and the 6. Need a 2 and a 9. Or yeah, 2 and a 9. 3 and a 5. 9, 8, 7 and 6, 4 and 8. 4 and 3. This should be the 4. This should be the 8. 1 box left. 2, 3, 4. 13. 1. Okay, you need 7 here. 7 and a 1. No. 7 and a 3. 6 and a 2. 7 and 6. 7, 6. 2, 4. 2, 4. Here, 2 numbers left. 1 and the 6. I need a 4 here. Need a 3 there. Need a 2. No. Correction. Here the 2. Here the 3. 5, 9. Okay. 3, 3, 3. Correct. 4, 4, 4. 2, 2, 2. Correct in 40 minutes. Minus 1. 30 minutes. Solve this within 30 minutes. So yeah. Maybe 12 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes, 12 minutes. Alright. We solve it again. Thank you for watching. And we'll meet again in the evening with the other puzzles. Until then, bye bye. for now.